So what you can also do is schedule out meetings in Microsoft Teams. So to do that, once you're logged in onto Microsoft Teams right here, on the left side, you can go to calendar, as you can see right here. So once you go around onto calendar, you can see the calendar just like this. So now what you can do is you can view the calendar in day view right here, or week right here, or this work week, so that you can see this 5 days right here. And let's say you want the meeting to happen around, let's say 1 p.m. on next week. So I can go around, navigate to the next week right here. And let's say I want a meeting to happen around 1 p.m. on Thursday. So I'm going to click around over here. And then what happens is that the new meeting setup actually opens up right here. So I can go around, choose the time zone according to how I want right here, and then add in a title over here as well. So I'm just going to go around and add in a title. Let's say, for example, by saying test meeting right here, just like this. And you can go around and enter the name of people that is like people that you want to invite to the meeting as well. So you can add in multiple accounts right here. And you can also set the duration. So right now the meeting is set to 30 minutes, but if you want it to be 2 hours, you can do that. And you can also set the meeting to be all day. This does not limit the time of the meeting. However, it just notifies out the other people. So the time is actually just for information. You can also make this meeting repetitive, let's say, for example, on a weekly basis on every Thursday, and press OK, and it'll now repeat every Thursday right here. You can also add in a location. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around right here and type in Yangon right here, then that becomes the location of the meeting. You can also add in description to the meeting right here, and then use the formatting options right here. You can bold it, you can italicize it, underline it, strike it through, even add in, let's say, for example, highlights right here, just like this. And you can go around and change the color right here of the text just like this, as you can see as well. And then you can increase the size of the text right here, just like this, and work around with different things, as you can see right here. You can work around with the paragraph settings, make it a heading, or make it, let's say, monospace right here as well. And you can go around and work around with the alignment over here as well, and turn it into a list right here. So basically the word processor, like basic word processor options, are available right here. You can add it inside the quotation, add it a link right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in youtube.com, just like this, youtube.com/tutortube. Let me just type that incorrectly, .com/tutortube right here, just like this. Click on insert, and there you go. This becomes a link over here as well. And you can go around, add in, let's say, for example, hyphen, that is lines, that is vertical lines right here, just like this. And you can go around, insert table over here as well, just like this, as you can see. So there's different tables. You can press tab right here and add in different tables, as you can see. And you can undo and redo as well. So this is what you can do. And once you're ready, you can actually go around and then click on send right here. So once you do that, a meeting will be created and an invitation will be sent to the other person. You can even copy the link right here and send it out to other person. So there you go. You can see the meeting right here, just like this. And since we set this up as a weekly meeting, you can go around and see that this is there on a weekly basis as well. And that is how you can schedule meetings from Microsoft Teams. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.